Good morning, friends. Good morning from Bangladesh and happy Friday from Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, 28 May 2021. Now morning. So, this Friday morning, I walked in village agriculture land area. You can see behind my back village agriculture land area, beautiful village agriculture land. So, this morning, I walked there and I see here is a some polluted garbage. So now I collected that polluted garbage and threw that garbage in the dustbin. Uh, Friends, now I clean this place, clean this agricultural land. So friends, let's go cleaning now start. তো বন্ধুরা আজ শুক্রবারে সকালে গ্রামের কৃষি জমিতে হাঁটতে এসেছি। এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করব এবং সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে রাখবো। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। Friends, now I walk it there and I see here is a one plastic bottle. This plastic this plastic bottle very bad for our nature, our environment. So I collected plastic bottle, another plastic here, another plastic, another one plastic bottle here. পানি জমে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা। another plastic here, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। another one many plastic bag, plastic bottle. This plastic very bad for our nature, our agriculture land, our environment. So I always collected polluted garbage, plastic, etc. from nature, from agriculture land. Very bad polluted garbage. Another plastic মাটির নিচে আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা। This is a very bad polluted garbage. I see here is another garbage. One, two, three plastic here. I collected these three plastic. Another plastic here. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Another plastic here. Another one. Another plastic here. This plastic. Here is another plastic. Another plastic. Another one. There is a many plastic, friends, so I collected this plastic. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. Here is a many plastic. This plastic I collected from this agricultural land. Friends, that plastic collected from here. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনা সংগ্রহ করেছি, and from here এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি হেঁটে হেঁটে। This garbage, now this garbage throw in the dustbin, village dustbin, village use dustbin. Let's go. Many plastic here. Friends, this is a village use dustbin. This garbage throw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. And this was my nature cleaning mission in Friday morning.